We're gonna be risking it all today, guys. Yo, I hope that black spot is not from my car, because if it is, that is a bad day in the office. Imagine if it is. Oh, that'll be a terrible thing. But I don't think it is. Oh my God. Your boy has no gas. Damn, I know they have gas, but I don't know it was that bad. We need to get some gas, y'all. I'm risking it all, bro. The things I do to get to the gym. I'm gonna be going to the gym regardless. And hopefully there's enough gas, man. Is it a really bad idea? It probably is, but man, your boy broke. I am not putting gas in this car right now, man. We're gonna go just like that and see what happens. Pray for your kid and wish me luck. Hold on, let me clean yellow, because yellow kind of dirty. Got a shower today? There you go. That's a little bit better. But hey, what's going on, guys? I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys on a little POV drive as I make my way to the gym, because you know I can't just not go. You know what I'm saying? Not go. Is that even the way you say it? I can't not go, right? Is that it? I don't know. But oh man, it's hot in here. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing good. Your boy's back in the Sticks Mobile DZ in the 440,000, and it's doing our thing, man. I just woke up from a little nap. What the heck? Dude, eating ice cream, man, funny. Look, guys, I haven't been uploading like as much. I mean, I still upload my vids, you know what I'm saying, but I haven't been uploading as much, like almost, you know, like every day or almost every day, because I be running out of ideas, bro. Like, I don't really know what to upload, bro, to be honest. Like, you know, I don't know if you guys want to be watching me, you know, POVs all the time. I feel like it just gets kind of repetitive after a while, especially if I'm doing it so much. And I mean, if it's for a cool event and stuff like that, then you know it's cool. But I don't really know of any events going on. I know that MPAC is coming up soon, so that's gonna be a video, and it should be cool. Me and A-Man are gonna go. Maybe slow. I don't know if Slow Speed's gonna pull up, but A-Man and I are gonna be there. And yeah, but I wish there was like some Cars and Coffee or some other smaller events going on around me. There probably is. I just don't know of any. So I don't really be even driving my car that much, guys. So every time I drive the car, I make a video for ya. But yeah, man, we got 8 miles left of gas, and I am not getting gas. I don't want to see you guys in the comments going like, yo, that's bad for the car. I know it's bad for the car, but I'm not putting no gas, bro. Shit, boy, I'm broke, man. I'm broke, man. Yeah, that's me. So this car is staying like that. It'll be okay. I'm not gonna be going crazy, but this guy needs to get out the way, though. Damn, that shit is going down mad fast. I feel like I just left the crib and it was saying 9 miles. I've been driving for like 1 minute and I already have 5 miles left. Like, how? And there's a gas station right there. That's the craziest part. I actually probably should have, you know, stopped and got some gas. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what's going on, but I'm still kind of out of it. I just woke up. Okay, come on, dude, move up. Damn. Man, I don't even know, bro. I don't even know, bro, what's going on anymore. Guys, let me tell you something, man. This YouTube is hard, bro. YouTube, oh my God. This YouTube grind is, oh, somebody's got into an accident. Oh, there's mad smoke back there. Damn, y'all gotta be careful out here, bro. Sheesh. But like I was saying, damn, 3 miles already? Oh my God, it's over. It's over. 2 miles? Nah, that shit's going down way too fast. Nah, I really should have stopped and got some gas, though. I ain't even gonna lie. By the time we get to the gym, that shit's about to be having the dashes and stuff. And then I don't even know what the closest gas station is. after I leave the gym. Bro, I don't know what am I doing, bro. I should have stayed my ass home, but I can't. I gotta go make some gains, man. By any means possible, get to the gym and get these gains, bro. But yeah, man, like I was saying, bro, YouTube is hard, bro. You know what I'm saying? YouTube is not an easy game. If you guys are thinking about doing YouTube, I highly recommend it. But do it because you love it. Record because you want to record. Don't record for any other reason, bro. Because, bro, I'm gonna tell you something right now. You're gonna get disappointed. You know what I'm saying? So if you're doing it because, you know, the money or whatever else, you know, bro, you don't make no money from YouTube really, unless you freaking mad big and you're making thousands and thousands and thousands of views a month. Then you'll see something. But, you know, at the beginning, and when you're not that big, when you're still very small, bro, don't even think about money, bro. Just do it because you want to do it, and because you like recording and all that stuff. Because if you're thinking about money from the start, forget it, bro. You're gonna quit within, I don't even know, I'll give you a month tops. I give you 1 month tops, and you will quit. Unless you're one of the lucky few. Oh look, my gas went up to 4 miles. This car's tweaking. Unless you're one of the lucky few that, you know, post one video, get 300,000 views, post a second video, get another 200, and then you kind of just blow up off the get-go. But that is not, you know, for everybody. You know what I'm saying? Like, not everybody gets to be that lucky. It's very few of people who, you know, get that, and we were not one of those. Okay, so your boy been struggling and hustling from the get-go, and I'm not saying this to, you know, say that I'm gonna stop making videos, because I'm not. You know, I like making videos, I like recording, I like making videos, and just making YouTube videos for you guys. So, you know, I also enjoy watching it myself. Like, you guys probably think that I just make the video and post it. Bro, I'm the first one. Once I goes on, after rewatching it on my editing software for hours and hours, you know, I am literally I'm my biggest fan, bro. I'm the one that, you know, I'm the first view on my channel, bro. Every video that I upload, I am my first viewer. I am my first like, because it has to be me, bro. If I don't like it, then why any of you guys should, you know what I'm saying? So I make sure that everything that I put out, you know, I'm happy with. Now, if it does good, that's awesome. If it doesn't, you know, do as good, you know, we just learn from it and try to make the best videos possible, and not just get discouraged, because YouTube, it's a hard game, bro. So I don't know why I'm ranting about YouTube. It just came up, bro, because it is hard, bro. Sometimes you feel like you make a freaking amazing ass video and you get 2 views, bro. Like, what? That shit is whack. But that's the game, man. That is the game, man. And your boy made it, and I only got 2 miles left. And I definitely need to put some gas after this, because it's gonna be bad. Yeah, we cannot be left on the street. Yeah, what if I started rapping? What if nah, never mind. I'm not even gonna encourage that, because I cannot rap for nothing. But let me try it anyways. Here we go. Made it to the gym. Trying to get these big, oh my god, never mind, bro. Shut up. All right, I'm shutting up. I don't know what the heck that was. Okay, hold on, let me give it another try. Yo, here we go again. I'm coming at you twice, because I'm the man. Shit, this shit's, I don't know how people do it, bro. I don't know how rappers rap. Like, that shit is difficult. Like the Lil Wayne's, like the Eminem, like, bro, hell, bro. Like, do they read a lot? Or nah, I don't think Eminem reads like that. But people are just like, I don't know, they just be having words in their head, and they just collide, like, make it connect. Like, my slow ass can't do that, no matter how much I try, bro. I barely know how to speak English half of the times. Sheesh. So yeah, no, we'll leave that up. We'll leave it up for you guys, man. The rappers, the real rappers. Oh, here we go, man. Making my way down. See, I could do this one. Making my way downtown. Damn, I can't even do that. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I don't know. I think I'm going crazy, bro. I'm so sorry, bro. If you watched this far, bro, I am so sorry, bro. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just here, man. I am just, oh my God, we have no gas. I see the dashes that I was so afraid of. Maybe when we turn the car off and on, we'll have some more gas. Oh, they took my spot. Okay. Oh no, this one's good. This is good. Oh man. Well, we made it to the gym, guys. I honestly don't know what this video was about. I am very sorry for my singing. I'm very sorry for ranting. But I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Love you. Peace.